I start just right with a capital letter, tall and bright, big at the front. That's the rule, it's how we start in writing school. Start with a capital. Next I leave some space between my words in every place. One finger wide, just like so. That's how our writing starts to flow. Let me say it loud. Leave finger spaces. Then I add punctuation too, like a period or a question mark too. It ends my thoughts and tells you more. Punctuation opens the reader's door. Let's all shout at punctuation. My letters are neat and on the line, with curves and points that look just fine. No rush, no scribbles, take my time. Neat writing makes my words all shine. Does it make sense when I read it back? Do my words stay on the right track? If it's jumbled, I fix and try. I make it clear so it's not why. Read it again. Now it's time to add some sparkle, a funny word or shining marvel. Adjectives, feelings, wow and pow. My sentence sparkles up right now. Sparkle time. Rainbow writing, 1, 2, 3. Come and ride along with me. Red to purple, we know the way.